You pray. You fast. You avoid what's haram. But inside, nothing moves. No tears. No warmth. Just routine. And you wonder quietly, what's wrong with my heart? Allah says in Quran,
أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وَمَا نَزَلَ مِنَ الْحَقِّ.
Has the time not come for those who believe that their hearts should humble themselves at the remembrance of Allah and to the truth which has come down? This verse wasn't revealed for disbelievers. It was revealed for believers. People who were practicing. But their hearts had gone silent. Allah doesn't accuse them. He calls them back. Spiritual emptiness doesn't mean your faith is fake. It means your heart is tired. When worship becomes habit without presence, the body moves, but the soul stays behind. The cure isn't quitting worship. The cure is slowing down. One sincere ayah. One honest dua. One moment of reflection. Hearts don't soften overnight. They soften when truth is allowed to touch them again. And Allah is patient with hearts that are trying to return. Comment. Ya Allah, soften my heart. Save this for days when Iman feels heavy. Follow for Quranic reminders that heal from within.